video I'm going to show you how to make a sprite say your name in Scratch. So the first thing you need to do is go to events and do when green flag clicked. Now go and do, you can choose which one, say how you do, like say or say for how many seconds you want. I'm just going to do that, and then you do down here should be username, and since for example my username is the green box, it will say my username. Now there's the second way to do it, is if you actually want to say your real name, you can do it this way. So when green flag clicked, you got to ask, for example, what's your name? You could ask it basically anything. You just do, like, for example, just say and then answer. So whatever it says here, whatever you type in this little search box, it will say what you said. So let's just say I said Josh, because that's my name. It would say Josh. And you could put it in another sentence, for example, if you wanted to put it in a full sentence, you could do hello. And also if you want to full stop at the end, you can do it like this. And it would say hello Josh in an actual sentence. So yeah, that was 2 ways to make a sprite say your username or your real life name. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and keep coding. Bye.